Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a very pretty Noriko wig. This one is Georgia, and the color on Georgia is Sugar Cane R. Now, I'm trying something a little bit different. Got the artificial lighting on this side of the room, which is a little brighter, and then we've got the natural lighting on this side of the room. So if it looks a little shinier on this side, it's because we've got a lot of bright light shining directly on it, and hopefully, if you pay more attention to this side, you'll be able to see how this looks when you're walking around outside and stuff like that. It's just, it's winter and the sunlight's just not bright enough to actually just do a full on natural light review. So I'm trying to do the best I can with that. So before I get into the wig, I'm going to talk about the color really quick. So I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to show you on the natural light side because it looks a little bit truer on this side. It's a little bit more gold because of the lighting over here. But on the natural light side, you can tell this is actually a rooted strawberry blonde base with a medium gold blonde highlight on top. And it's pretty heavily highlighted all the way around. So it's all mixed up and looks really, really pretty. And the root color isn't a medium brown. If I said that, I'm sorry. It's actually a light kind of golden brown color. It just looks dark up against the blonde. Now, I also want to tell you that if you like this color and this color is not in stock, this Sugarcane R, Spring Honey is also very, very similar to this. So if one's out of stock, you can kind of substitute the other. They have the same colors in them. They're just arranged a little differently. So with that aside, let's get into the cut. Like all Noriko wigs, I find this one to be tight and shiny right out of the box. I'm not going to mince words about that. I definitely find this wig to be kind of uncomfortable, but that's because Noriko wigs fit small, at least compared to, you know, some of the other brands that I carry. And since I have a relatively large head, it takes a while for these to stretch out to kind of accommodate my noggin. And I specialize in out-of-the-box reviews, so I'm not really giving this the time it needs to sort of settle into place and kind of stretch to suit me. This one has a fully hand-tied monofilament top that can be parted in any direction. It does not have a lace front, however, but it does have that mono top. It weighs 4.9 ounces, which isn't all that bad. I mean, it's a little heavy compared to other wigs that might be this length, but it's not that terrible. The fringe in the front is 8.25 inches. The crown down is 11.75, and the nape is 9.1 inches. So it's pretty much a mid-length wig. Now, if you look at the manufacturer photos make this look almost like a bob. And it is not a bob. Like, it is very much not a bob. When I turn around and show you the 360 view, you'll see what I mean. I have not readjusted the part. I left the part right where it wants to go, right out of the box. But you can always retrain this to part in a different direction if you like, because it has that mono top. So let me go ahead and turn to the side here. You know what? I'm going to turn this light off because it's just making it too darn shiny. So it's a little darker right now, but that's because it's just the natural light right now. And you can see there, it's got kind of like this swoop that wants to happen, especially with this front layer. It just kind of wants to swoop inward and hug the face. Here's the back. And then the other side, same thing here. It kind of wants to just sort of swoop. And the layers towards the face want to swoop towards the face. You can kind of retrain those a little bit. Has quite a bit of layering, but all Noriko wigs have quite a bit of layering. But I just wanted to point out that it couldn't have a more different looking style than some of the manufacturer picks, especially the ones in that chestnut color. They make it look like a bob, not a bob. In fact, this reminds me a lot of, you know, like almost like Giselle by John Renault, except shorter. So all the layers are shorter. So just something to keep in mind. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Like all Noriko monotop wigs, here's the monotop, single monotop, has polyurethane here in the front. All of the Noriko monotop wigs are gonna have the same cap construction. Has this generous, I mean, it's a big pop of perma tease right in the back near where the crown is, and I'll point that out again when I put the wig back on. Open wefted back and sides. The ear tabs are nothing to write home about. They are closed ear tabs, however, which makes it a little tricky to wear glasses sometimes. It is a little stretchy right here on the side, but in general the perimeter is not all that stretchy. We've got a little bit of felt here at the nape, but it is not an extended nape. And I mean, there is elastic in the back of the cap, and that's where the bulk of the stretch that the wig has will occur. When I have the wig inverted, you can tell that this is not a dark or medium brown. This is a light brown here on the base shade, or on the root shade. And there you go. Now you can really see it when I put it up close. Here, let me. I would actually recommend, because it's got this perma tease in it, that maybe you put it in some cold water and then stick it on a head form overnight to kind of help the hair settle a bit before wearing it. But there you can see the color, and you can see that layering on the bottom, the layering on the sides. Lots of layers. The hair on the bottom kind of wants to swoop inward, just like the hair on the sides of the face want to swoop inward towards the face. Very pretty color. In the natural light you can tell what I mean. It's a strawberry blonde with the gold blonde on top. Very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and pop Georgia back on so you can get another take at what she looks like. I have to fix my glasses. There we go. And there you go. This is Georgia by Noriko in the color Sugarcane R. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.